Okay, everyone, so this is the Moto G Stylus 2021. What y'all think about it? How does that sound? How does everything look? This is in 4K at 30 frames. Just walking around my famous little park. But what y'all think? Slow pan. This phone is $299, so we definitely will test out the cameras more and get a good idea on what you get. I like doing these camera tests so that people know what they're buying when they buy these phones. 8x zoom, all the way back out. What y'all think? I'm gonna do 1080p at 60 and 30, and also some front-facing video. But right now, just 4K. Like Leo from Android Stuff says, some 4K goodness. So I'm gonna come back with 1080p. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 1080p at 60 frames on the Moto G Stylus 21. I guess you can call it 2021, like they said, but I'm gonna just call it 21. What y'all thought about the 4K video? Didn't look too bad. Look, slow pan. So far for $299, the cameras have been pretty good, but we definitely will be testing them out more. How's the stabilization? Is it too bad? Does it look horrible? I don't know. Y'all let me know. How is the mics doing too? Because there are two mics. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30. And until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames. Again, what y'all think about it? How does everything look? You can go to wide angle lens on 1080p at 30. Back to normal. Here's 8x zoom. You're not gonna buy this phone for the zoom. At least I hope you don't. Because I wouldn't. I like the wide angle lens though. Not gonna lie. But back to normal. Again, how is the stabilization? I'm just walking around and talking. So far I'm enjoying the Stylus. I've only been having it for a few minutes now, or a few hours. The Stylus is pretty cool. Look. What y'all think? How does it do with the colors? Again, how's the mics doing with the wind? Hopefully it's not too bad. The sky, what I'm seeing on the phone does a pretty good job of reproducing the colors. But we will find out once we get everything together. I'm gonna come back and do the front facing video, and y'all also may see some photos. But until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is the front-facing camera on the Moto G Stylus. Yes, I'm still at my famous little park. What y'all think about it? How was that photo and the videos from daylight? What y'all thought about it? Let's get a friendly discussion. Yes, $299. That sun is bright right in my face. So if I turn it a little bit, not too bad. Don't do this because Leo from Android Stud again does not like when people do that. So just put the sun in your face. Could you vlog with this camera? I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. But I'm gonna come back with some nighttime video and photos too, so that way we can see what it can do in, you know, low light areas. One thing I need to tell y'all is that the display does not get as bright as I would think it would, but it's not a problem. So stay tuned for the photos and nighttime video. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the rear camera at nighttime on the Moto G Stylus 2021. What y'all thought about the daytime video and photos? It did pretty good during the day. I just think at nighttime, as you can tell, it will struggle, which it's doing a little bit. I don't know, again, I don't really shoot at nighttime. I mean, I do these videos just because people ask for them. That's 8x zoom. I'm gonna zoom out really quick. It does some focus on there. I don't know, for $299, what y'all think? Are these the best cameras at nighttime? No. But during the day, they actually do pretty good. And I'm in the parking lot with a lot of lights, so shout out to Big Lots and the people that are still working there. Again, real men drive minivans. Ladies, what y'all think? How's the stabilization? Looks pretty good. I'm gonna come back with the front facing video and also some photos I took while I'm out here. Until then, peace. Alright, so this is the front facing camera on the Moto G Stylus 2021. What do you think? How does that sound? How does everything look? I don't know, the front camera looks like it's doing a better job than the rear cameras. Look at that background. I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all think about this whole video, what y'all think about the camera so far, what y'all think about the whole phone. If you had the phone, let me know in the comments too. Let's get a discussion going. Do you like Motos? Do you like Motorola phones? You got one thing you can say about Motorola is the stock Android experience is really good. I do like that. I also like the way they do their cameras and stuff. The camera app is pretty good. Now this display, again, does not get the brightest. I think I said that earlier too. Does not get the brightest during the daytime, but not bad. And the stylus is actually pretty cool. A little useful. I mean, could it have more features? Yes, but for what the price it is, not bad.